Slow. Okay, focus. Bring it up. Up. Get up. Slow. Throw. Wait. From the top. Slow. Pump it up. Step. Jump. Ready? Go forward, Mike.
I'd just like to congratulate each and every one of you for turning up this morning. Despite the rain, we had a short, brisk walk to the junction of Suva Grammar School and back, distance of about 2 kilometers. Well done. In the military, we say that this is good infantry weather when it rains. So I'm sure you all qualify to be infantry men and women. I wish to start by acknowledging all those who have braved the early morning cold and wet to join us in the launch of the National Physical Activity Month. It is a good coincidence that we are launching this event on Fiji's Constitution Day. Happy Constitution Day, everyone. Which we will be celebrating in the newly upgraded Albert Park in the next couple of hours. I hope I planned that the rain would stop. I'm worried about all these young school children who will be joining the parade this morning. And I certainly hope that some of you, not all of you, will join in the celebration. As Fiji's lead advocate and champion in the campaign to eliminate NCDs, I'm very pleased to participate and promote wellness. I'm wearing a wellness pin with great pride and pleasure. As we participate and promote wellness and healthy living at every opportunity, and I also thank you for inviting me to launch the National Physical Activity Month this morning. I'm reliably informed that government, through the Ministry of Health and Medical Services, is putting together some strategies to promote and facilitate active lifestyles and healthy living throughout Fiji. Well done. Today's launch is part of that strategy. Given the alarming rate of deaths caused by NCDs, I'm sure all of us would like to see the program extended so that as many Fijians as possible could actively participate in the program. Physical activity can be practiced by anybody, any age, and at any time. From infants flexing their hands and legs to build their joints, and to top athletes doing rigorous training, to senior citizens going on brisk walks. That's me, senior citizen. I'm feeling my age. For pregnant women doing squats and lunges to assist with healthy delivery. Appropriate physical activity has many benefits for the human body, mind, and spirit. The magnitude of the non-communicable disease in Fiji poses a very huge challenge to the entire nation and calls for concerted and collaborative effort. It is a threat, clear and present danger and threat to this nation. Physical activity is a key part of what is known as primordial prevention, a strategy geared towards keeping low-risk individuals healthy. Here, the young, fit and healthy. Let's keep it that way. In other words, it is about sticking to a lifestyle we like to call wellness. If you haven't got a wellness pin for our police recruits, Ministry of Health officials, Dr. Eric, please send them some pins. I'd like to see you wearing that. It goes to show to the nation that you're concerned about your health and that you are part of government's plan to keep this nation healthy. Each and every one of us need to decrease our risk factors, such as high salt and sugar intake, sedentary lifestyles, smoking and alcohol consumption, and increased healthy behaviors, such as eating balanced meals with fruits and vegetables and consistent physical activity to maintain our health. PT this morning is a classic example. That's like PT and enjoy it. I would like to thank our physical training instructor. I'd like to know some of those moves. So, give me. No. The recommendations for physical activity are simple. For youth aged 15 to 70 years old, about 60 minutes moderate to vigorous intensity daily. For those aged 18 to beyond 65, that's me, beyond 65, about 2.5 hours of moderate intensity throughout the week. Regular physical activity reduces one's risk of heart attacks by increasing blood circulation and providing more oxygen to the body, so the doctor says. Very true. It also reduces the chances of stroke, diabetes, osteoporosis, and obesity. It is common knowledge that we must sit less, but it is key to remember we also need to move more, like walking and running and exercising. Physical activity doesn't have to mean joining a gym. It's quite expensive. Working in your backyard, gardening. I love gardening. After today's festivities, I'll be park. I just got some mutton in Dalo yesterday. I'm going down to my Dalo pets down. But anyway, it's all about moving around. Playing with your kids. For those of us who've got children, in my case, grandchildren, try and play with them. For taking the stairs instead of the elevator are but some examples of how to keep well and fit. It's all about moving the body. Walking is free. It is easy. And it is something we can do just by stepping out of the door. We all stepped out of our door in the rain this morning. Well done. Let's keep doing it. We're all aware of the threats of NCE and what behaviors can help us to avoid these issues. Now is the time to walk the talk. I like to tell people that we're not only walking the talk, we run the talk. Let's celebrate Physical Activity Month by taking those first steps towards a healthy lifestyle and a healthy nation. Once again, Nawaleu, congratulations for joining in this morning's walk, and for our police recruits, Nawaleu, I hear you every morning at 4 o'clock. It's good. So for those of you who are wet, my advice to you, I'm not a doctor, get into some dry clothes very quickly. You don't want to catch a cold. Nawaleu, Dhanyawad, Sukriya Payacha. Thank you all. May God bless you. May God bless our beloved nation Fiji and all Fijians. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to His Excellency, President Fiji. Thank you once again, Your Excellency.
My meeting.
Last shot. Naka.